Hello there, this is fairbinaryoptions.com, and like the name there suggests, still bullish on the Great Britain pound US dollar. You might think that this move to the upside is done. Well, I have to disagree with you. On the bigger picture and on the lower time frames, like this 1 hour chart here shows, we still need to go to the upside. Minimum we should go 61.14, but you will see based on this analysis we need a 5-way structure to the upside. This 5-way structure to the upside comes from the fact that if you go on the 4-hour chart and if you analyze the move that started here with the previous impulsive move, basically ended there to the upside. Let me make this one of a different color so that we are not confused there. So the move that started there and all the way to the downside here is a 3-way move. So this is a 3-way move that started here and goes to the downside all the way here for wave A. So this should be labeled the first corrective wave, wave A. Now because this is the first corrective wave, this means it is coming in a 3-way move. So this is a 3-way move. Let's write here. So this is a 3-way move. Now because it is a 3-way move, it needs to be retraced at least 61.8 out of this move. We need to see at least 61.8. If you take a Fibonacci retracement from the highs there and to the lows here, you might say, okay, 61.8, take a look, it is done here. Well, it is not done here, because if this is a flat, it needs to be A, B, C, and the B wave should take more time than this time to form. But the 61.8 comes in less than this time to form, so this is not valid. It means it needs to come, but it needs to come not there, most likely here. Now this is Friday, and based on the fundamentals and the technical picture, most likely shorts are going to be squeezed on cable, on euro dollar, probably on Aussie as well. So I would favor the upside. If this is also a flat that should go to the upside, you are looking for 3 and 3 and 5, but this 3 that started here seems to be an irregular flat of a lower degree, to be A, B, and C. So we are looking for this moment of time. So from this moment of time, we are looking at a 5-way structure to the upside of a lower degree, and in a flat, this must be an impulsive move. There you go on the 1 hour chart and try to identify this one. So this of a lower degree should be a B wave, we said. So not pink, okay, but let's say B wave, make it blue. And then we are looking for a C wave to the upside in the form of an impulsive move. And you might say, well, the impulsive move is done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, I don't really think so. And I'm going to show you why. It is not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because you need at least one wave to be extended. And in order to have one extended wave, you need to have also the third wave to be an impulsive move, but the third wave there is no impulsive move. And of a lower degree, I will label these ones as being like this: 1, and the second wave to the downside to be here, and the third wave to the upside to be this tiny third wave here. I know it is not that let's say orthodox, if I may say so, but it is. The fourth wave to be done here with this pennant. This is being called a pennant. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then of course looking for a fifth wave to the upside. But you might say, what kind of a fifth wave to the upside is that? Well, it is 1, 2, and then looking for a 3, a 4, and a 5th. And normally this is being called a fifth wave extension. In an impulsive move, at least one wave needs to be extended, but it is not mandatory to be the first wave or the third wave. It can be the fifth wave. So what to do is to take a Fibonacci expansion, or retracement if you want. Try to look for 161.8 extension out of the third wave there, This is the 161.8 extension. Let's make it blue, and this one should be applied by the time the fourth wave 161, sorry, not 100. So this is 161.8, and this should be applied by the time the fourth wave is done. Well, the fourth wave is done here. So in order for this to be considered an impulsive move, we need prices to go minimum 161.60 area, and there you go. The logical thing to do here for this Friday is to buy calls still with end of day expiration date. When you are trading binary options, you are not looking for price to go in your favor hundreds of pips, but only 1 pip should be enough to get something like 70% return, or even 80, or even more. So buying right here at the highs, I am buying calls with end of day expiration date on the Great Britain pound US dollar. So with end of day expiration date. End of day being, this is Friday, London not even started yet. So basically at the closing of New York would be the expiration date. Thank you very much for being here. This is fairbinaryoptions.com, and all these analyses are possible due to the generous help of our sponsor here, Lionive. So make sure you check lionive.com.